Have you ever heard a story that felt so real you could almost see it unfolding before your eyes? That's the power of a vivid account. But what exactly makes a story vivid? And why is it so important? Let's dive into the world of vivid storytelling and explore what it means to bring a story to life. Vividness is like a colorful tapestry woven from several threads. The first thread is imagery. Imagery is the use of descriptive language to create mental pictures. When a writer uses vivid imagery, they paint a picture in your mind, making you feel like you're right there in the scene. For example, instead of saying it was cold outside, a vivid writer might say, "The biting wind whipped through the bare trees, sending shivers down my spine." This imagery creates a much more powerful and memorable picture. The second thread is sensory detail. Sensory details appeal to your five senses: sight, sound, taste, touch, and smell. By including sensory details, a writer can transport you to the scene and make you feel the emotions of the characters. For example, instead of saying the food was delicious, a vivid writer might say, "The crispy crust of the pizza crackled as I took a bite, releasing a burst of savory flavor that danced on my tongue." This sensory detail makes the food seem more appealing and real. The importance of vividness. Vividness is not just about making a story more interesting. It's also about making it more memorable. When a story is vivid, it sticks with you long after you've finished reading or hearing it. This is because vividness helps you connect with the story on a deeper level, making it more personal and meaningful. Vividness can also be a powerful tool for persuasion. When a story is told vividly, it's more likely to persuade people to believe or do something. This is because vividness makes the story seem more real and believable. Now that we know what vividness is and why it's important, let's take a look at some examples of vivid storytelling. One famous example is the opening scene of Charles Dickens' novel, Great Expectations. In this scene, Dickens describes the protagonist, Pip, as a young boy who is terrified of a convict. The scene is filled with vivid imagery and sensory details, making it feel like you're right there with Pip, experiencing his fear and dread. Another example is the story of the Three Little Pigs. This classic fairy tale is full of vivid imagery and sensory details, making the pigs and the big bad wolf seem very real. The story is also very memorable, which is likely due to its vividness. Vividness is a powerful tool that can make your stories more interesting, memorable, and persuasive. By using imagery, sensory details, and other techniques, you can bring your stories to life and connect with your audience on a deeper level. So the next time you're writing or telling a story, remember the power of vividness. And most importantly, have fun with it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.